Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and there are days that I do get a little it's a little tiresome. The amount of harassment that I get from Microsoft, how much they harass me. And it started with, articles on the community sites, and then they banned me from LinkedIn, and then the whole MVP thing, and and I can't relate a lot of things that have happened since then. We'd be here for hours if I did, but this one in particular is just petty, right? In terms of what they've done is they flagged my GitHub repository as unsafe, right? So it's not all of GitHub, right? I can go to GitHub and and I can go to like Pact Publishing, right? And it's fine. But anytime I like, even if I go to like DAX for Humans, it's flagged as unsafe, which is kind of funny since DAX for Humans only has PBX files. So I guess Microsoft is saying that their PBX files can incorporate malware into them, so that's unsafe. So good job, Microsoft. You guys are brilliant. Um, but so if I could, I was just trying to go out and upload Microsoft Hates Greg's quick measures, which again is full of CSV files, Excel files, PBX files, and like a couple installer files, that are, do not contain malware. So anyway, so yes, I can still get to this, right? So I can continue to the site, not recommended by imposing the click text on me. I can report that this site doesn't contain malware threats, but I have to fill out their stupid little form, or what I can do is when exactly what I did was like screw Edge, right? And screw Microsoft at this point, right? I just went out and downloaded Chrome for the first time on this laptop, and I can get to my stuff just fine, because it's not owned by Microsoft, and Google has no reason to harass me the way Microsoft does. So anyway, just thought I'd share that. I'll go through and fill out the form and all of that sort of thing. But well, how stupid and petty can Microsoft be? Really, they're this large global organization, billions of dollars in revenue, and they can't handle, a few, you know, negative comments from, a YouTube channel that has like 2,000 subscribers and stuff, which I greatly appreciate you guys. But in the grand scheme of things, right, that's nothing compared to like all the channels that follow, the Power BI and other MVP channels and that, right? They get much more play, but Microsoft can't even handle one negative comment about their product. They have to go and harass people around there like this. So pathetic, Microsoft. You're pathetic. That's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.